Hi there. Today we're looking at the Cyber Acoustics Essential Bluetooth headset model HS-2000BT. And Cyber Acoustics have always been a company that innovates with audio, that provides great audio devices comparable with those at a much higher price point, partially because they save on things that you don't necessarily need. So you'll see the packaging is always very plain, which is fine because it says what it is, and then you can toss it out. I mean, why spend money on packaging when you could be spending money on a great pair of headsets? So it comes with a Bluetooth adapter in case your device doesn't have a Bluetooth adapter. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is used for charging. So I'm charging it currently, and you can see the USB-C socket there. There's a multi-function button here on the left ear cup, which does all sorts of great things. So that will turn, for example, switch between active noise cancelling and not. It also has environmental noise cancelling, so both you and the person you're speaking with can hear you very clearly, because the active noise cancelling will remove sounds from your hearing. The environmental noise cancelling will remove sounds that the person you're talking with will hear. Anyway, it also could turn the volume up, down, all sorts of things. So it's a very impressive little active button on the left ear cup. You'll see as well that's quite a comfortable unit, and a lot of give there, a lot of flex here, can expand, soft cushioned ear cups, and also as well, I think this is quite thoughtful, on the headband you can see this little extra cushioned area as well. And so when it sits on your head, adjust it to suit yourself, but you'll find it's very, very light, very comfortable. It doesn't hurt, doesn't hurt. In fact, you could barely notice you're wearing it. So it's very easy to walk around. It's designed for long-lasting comfort. You could work all day with this headset on your head. What's also great is that it's designed to be paired with two devices simultaneously, so you can connect to two computers or your computer and your smartphone. So anyway, it's a pretty clever device, and yeah, Cyber Acoustics have again come up with a great unit that is very comfortable, delivers good quality audio, but really at a lower price point than many others. So this is it sells for US $129.95. It's the Cyber Acoustics Essential Bluetooth headset, model HS-2000BT. It has environmental and active noise cancelling, very comfortable, and it can pair with two devices at once. Anyway, I'll finish charging it up, and we'll give it a good test. Thank you.